Hi, welcome back to Ahmed Tips. Today we'll explore myths and facts about your smartphone battery. 1. Myth: you should always drain your battery completely. One common myth is that you should always drain your phone battery completely before recharging it. However, modern lithium-ion batteries are designed to be topped up frequently. Frequent shallow discharges are better for battery longevity. 2. Fact: avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures can indeed affect your battery's performance. Both very hot and very cold temperatures can cause a temporary reduction in battery life. 3. Myth: overnight charging will damage the battery. Some people believe that leaving your phone charging overnight will damage the battery. In reality, modern smartphones are equipped with mechanisms to prevent overcharging, making overnight charging safe. 4. Fact: battery health can degrade over time. It's a fact that battery health can degrade over time. After many charge cycles, a phone battery's capacity may decrease, resulting in shorter battery life. This is a natural aspect of battery aging. 5. Myth: always use official chargers. While using official chargers is recommended, it's not the only option. Third-party chargers that meet safety standards can be suitable, but always make sure they are compatible with your device. 6. Fact: closing background apps can save battery. Closing unused background apps can indeed save battery life. Some apps continue to consume power even when you're not actively using them. Clearing these apps can help conserve energy. 7. Myth: always charge to 100%. While it's okay to charge your phone to 100% occasionally, keeping it at maximum capacity all the time can strain the battery. It's better to charge your phone to around 80 to 90% for everyday use. 8. Fact: avoid deep discharges. Deep discharges, where your battery reaches a very low percentage, can be harmful. Try to avoid letting your battery drop to zero frequently, as it can stress the battery's chemistry. 9. Myth: airplane mode charges faster. Some believe that charging in airplane mode will make the battery charge faster. In reality, airplane mode only disables network connections, but it doesn't impact charging speed significantly. 10. Fact: regular software updates are beneficial. Regular software updates often include battery optimizations and bug fixes. Keeping your phone and apps updated can help improve overall battery performance. By knowing the truth behind common mobile battery myths, you can take better care of your phone's battery and ensure it serves you well for a long time. Thanks for watching.